Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start this lesson of geography, please make sure to subscribe and click on bell icon for our next coming video notification. After introduction of geography, now we come to the first chapter, the universe. Today our learning objective is define universe, galaxies, stars and planets. Explain the origin of the universe. Now, origins of universe. Students, you know the universe. All of space and everything in it, including stars, planets, galaxies, etc. Our world is a tiny speck in a large space, the universe. The universe stretches away from all us in all directions. We do not know how big it is. There are different beliefs about universe. Most of the scientists believe that the universe came into being about 15 million years ago. Some believe it came about in a gigantic explosion called Big Bang. Big Bang is a theory. What is Big Bang theory? The Big Bang was a big heat explosion which released a very large amount of energy. This burst of energy formed gases which were responsible for the formation of millions of stars and galaxies within a second, the universe. The origin of the earth has its root in the Big Bang theory. Now come to the galaxies. In the universe, there are billions of galaxies that exist. What is galaxy? Galaxy is a community of stars. Galaxy is a gravitational bound system and it consists of huge collection of stars, gases, dust and the solar system. There are three main categories of galaxies, grouped according to their shape. The first category is spiral. They look like flat discs. Disc means a thin circular object. And bulge. Bulge means to stick out in a rounded lamp in their center. Second category is elliptical. There are more rounded, often longer in one direction. Third is irregular. They appear neither disc-like nor rounded. Now students, come to the Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxies. The Milky Way is an example of a galaxy with a spiral shape. The Milky Way formed 5 billion years after the Big Bang. The Milky Way is one of 30 galaxies in a cluster of galaxies called the Local Group. Students, the Sun is just one of the billions of stars formed within a Milky Way galaxy. Earth and the other planets came from the matter that was left behind during the Sun formation. Students, to learn more about universe and how it was formed, please visit the following website. Now come to home task. Write the meanings of any 7 difficult words on loose sheet and learn it. Use the given link to submit your assignment on student.apms.pk.